Hello friends, welcome to DAR tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about minimum cost spanning tree in DA. Coming to minimum cost spanning tree, first before knowing about minimum cost spanning tree, first you have to know what is a spanning tree. Spanning tree is nothing but spanning tree is a tree where there are equal number of vertices. The first condition is there are equal number of vertices and the edges should be vertices minus 1. For example, if you have 7 edges, then if you have 7 edges, the vertices should be 8 minus 1 means I will explain you. Example, you have vertices 8. Take this example, consider this example. You have vertices 8, then edges count of the edges should be vertices minus 1. So 8 minus 1, you should have only 7 edges. If there are 8 vertices, you have to have only 7 edges, then that tree is called a minimum spanning tree. This is the calculated formula, like this is the formula based method. Now I will explain you the concept of the spanning tree. Spanning tree is a tree where you will construct a tree without forming a circle. A spanning tree is a tree which is constructed without forming any circle, without any circles or cycles, anything is same. So that is called a spanning tree or span tree. Now if you construct this span tree with the minimum cost and with the minimum path, then that is called the minimum spanning tree. This is only the concept of the minimum spanning tree. And in minimum spanning tree you have two types of problems. One is Prim's algorithm and one is Kruskal's algorithm. Now I am going to explain you what is Prim's algorithm and what is the Kruskal's algorithm. Coming to Prim's algorithm, I will take a question first. I can take any question, but it is important to understand the concept. This is the question, okay? In question you can have cycles. Now the length of this is 28, 16, let it be 25, and let it be 10. Yeah, now let's see what is. And now let's consider the Prim's algorithm and how to solve the Prim's algorithm. I will explain you here, okay? Now in Prim's algorithm you have to consider the path from 1, and you should draw the all the edges without forming a cycles. I will explain you how. Let's see. Okay, this let it be 14 and let it be 24 length. Okay, now let us see what is Prim's algorithm and how to solve the Prim's algorithm. Now you have to connect all the edges and vertices from 1 to 7 considering the shortest path in Prim's algorithm. Example, first 1. From 1 you have two paths. This is the shortest path because the length is only 10, but here it is 28. It is very long. So consider this and draw this. 6 and the length is 10, and from 6 you have two possible paths. One is 6 to 1, one is 6 to 5. But this is short, but we already consider this, like, so we should not repeat this. So draw from 6 to 5 whose length is 25, whose length is 25. Now from 5 you have three possibilities, this and this. This is already considered, this is 24, this is 22, this is the minimum. So consider the minimum path 22. And from 4 you have three possibilities, 4 to 5 we already considered, 4 to 18 is longest, and 4 to 3 is only 12, like you have only length of 12, so this is the shortest length. So consider this. From 3 you have two possibilities, 3 to 2 and 3 to 4. 3 to 4 we already considered, so consider 3 to 2 and its length is 16. Now from 2 you have three possibilities, 2 to 1, 2 to 7, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 we already considered, 2 to 1 if we do it will form a cycle or circle. In it is the one of the most important condition that Prim's algorithm and Kruskal's algorithm or any spamming tree should not have any kind of cycles. So we can't draw a cycle here, so this should not be considered, and there is no other option, you have to obviously consider this, and its length is 14. Now if you consider this you'll form a cycle, if you consider this you form a cycle. So this is the shortest path and of the Prim's algorithm, this is the maximum shortest path. So done with Prim's algorithm. Now let's see Kruskal's algorithm, the same question, and I will say how to solve this very easily. Okay, now I am noting all the points first in the same format without joining them. I am just noting all the points same, considering the question. I am I am just drawing all the points, I mean all the, this vertices without joining, sorry, all the edges without joining the without joining them. Now let's see. Now out of this I have to consider the least length. Out of this the least length is this 10, so I am joining 1 to 6. Next least is this 4 to 3 is the next least, 12. Next least is 14. Next least is 16. After 16 the next least is 22. Next least is 24. But if I connect this and write 24 then it will form a cycle, so it is wrong. So I should not consider 24. After 24 the next least is this 25. And the next list is 28, but if I again connect this it will form a cycle, so I should not do it. Now let us see, there are 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 edges, sorry, 7 vertices. These points are called vertices. Okay, there are 7 vertices, and I already said you edges count should be vertices minus 1. Vertices is 7, minus 1 is 6. Now edges should be 6. Then it is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vertices, so this is correct. That's it for today. Hope you understood the video. Please subscribe, share, and comment the video. If you have any queries or if you want me to explain any of the other topics in depth, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Don't forget to share and like the video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.